You could be eating something right now that can put your pregnancy at risk. Certain foods that women eat every day can silently increase the risk of miscarriage. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be diving into the food that women should avoid if they are pregnant to reduce the risk of miscarriage. Let's get started. Here are foods that can increase the risk of miscarriage. Number 1. Unripe papaya. It contains latex which can trigger early contractions. Pineapple is the second one, which women should avoid, especially in early pregnancy, because it contains bromelain which can soften the cervix too early. So number 2 is pineapple. The next one, so if you're pregnant, you need to avoid raw or undercooked meat, because sometimes they contain harmful bacteria or toxoplasma. So the next one is caffeine. As a pregnant woman, you shouldn't be consuming excessive amounts of caffeine. Why? It can affect the fetal development and increase the risk of miscarriage. The other one is alcohol and herbal teas. As a pregnant woman, you should avoid drinking alcohol while pregnant, and not all herbal teas are good for pregnant women. Not all of them are safe, so you need to consult your doctor to know which kind of herbal tea is good for you. Though I'm going to do another video on the kind of herbal teas pregnant women should take, but not all herbal teas are good for women. These foods either contain enzymes, bacteria, or chemicals which can trigger early contraction, infection, or nutrient blockage, all increasing the risk of miscarriage or preterm birth. Some of these foods, depending on your body type, might not cause you to have miscarriage, but eating undercooked food, unripe fruits, and those kind of meals will cause you to have an unhealthy baby. So you need to be careful with what you eat and always consult your doctor on what kind of food you need to eat, because there's some people that have allergies to some healthy meals, so you need to always consult your doctor first. Okay, the next one is the better alternatives. Instead of papaya, go for bananas and avocados. Instead of soft cheeses, go for hard cheeses like cheddar. And for meat, always go for fully cooked and fully cleansed, because a lot of people don't wash their meats before cooking. So as a pregnant woman, you also need to be careful with what you eat outside, like fast foods and those kind of things. You need to be very careful. And instead of excessive caffeine, you can hydrate yourself with infused coconut water or lemon water. Protect yourself with the right knowledge. A lot of pregnant women do not have the right knowledge to nurture themselves and their baby, which causes harm to themselves and their baby, and some of them end up giving birth to unhealthy babies. I've written 2 easy eBooks. The number 1 is Pregnancy Care Guide. This book has each and everything you need to know about caring for yourself and caring for your baby for each week of your pregnancy. The next one is the first 90 days of newborn care. Every mom needs this, because a lot of women, when they give birth, especially first time moms, they don't know what to do, they don't know. So this book has everything about umbilical cord, how to care for your baby, and each and every step of their life. Grab your own copy in the link below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more tips on pregnancy and motherhood. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.